Reset your Gmail password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can easily recover your Gmail account password when you've forgotten it. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, make sure to watch the video till the end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, so you won't miss any of our future videos. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go .gmail.com. You'll land on the Gmail sign-in page. Start by entering your email address or phone number, then click on Next. Since you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password just below the password field. Now, at this point, Google will send a notification to your phone if you've set up your device for recovery. Check your phone and tap Yes when you see the prompt. And tap on the code from the phone that is written over the Forgotten Password screen. Once that's confirmed, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, at least 8 characters long. That's it. Your password has been successfully reset. Now you can log into your Gmail account using your new password. And that's how you recover your forgotten Gmail password quickly and easily. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.